Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Okay, I'm starting my journey in this trailer. Hopefully it's in stock. I'm here at the Harbor Freight Tools in Berlin, Connecticut. Gonna go in the store, says they have the trailer in stock. All right, so still here at Harbor Freight. I went in, I was gonna buy a trailer. It was good for 1,200 pounds. It was $519. But when I got in there and I started looking, the next model up was, let's see, it was, all right, close. All right, technical difficulties here. All right, it was $549, so it was like 30 bucks more, and it's DOT compliant with the tires and everything. And it's good for 1,720 pounds. So I decided for 30 bucks, why not get the extra capacity, the better tires and everything. So the model number and all of that, what I'll do in the video here, maybe I'll cut in some pictures of the trailer, the model number, the price, stuff like that. They're pretty good. Got a title with it and everything so I can get it registered. So when I get home, like I said, and I make this video, I'll cut in all that information, and in the description I will also put it. So yeah, the next time maybe we'll do an unboxing, or I might actually have to open the box to unload it to get it out of my car. The guy told me it weighed 80 pounds, but he wasn't converting 80 kilograms to pounds, so it's approximately 180 something pounds. I don't know. Either way, it's a lot more than just 80 pounds. And as you can see, it comes in 2 boxes, and they do fit in my Subaru Outback with the seats down. All right, so I'll talk to you when I'm home. I'll show you. All right, so here we are in the garage. I managed to get the 2 pieces out of the car, no problem. They're not very big boxes, but they are both pretty heavy. So just for informational purposes, I'll give you this in the other videos too, but this box is about 63 inches long by 16 inches wide by about 5 inches tall. And this bigger box here is about, let's see, we'll say 27 and a half, 28 inches wide by about 24 and a half by about 12 inches high. So, like I said, this will fit in most, SUVs and stuff without a problem. But just because the boxes are small, don't think they're light. They're pretty damn heavy, actually. So yeah, very excited. Next video will be probably, I'm going to do an unboxing. We'll open it up. I'll show you what's in here and, how I'm going to go about it. Then I'll do a video of the assembly of the basic trailer. And at that point, like I said, I went for the little bit higher model. This one will support 1,720 pounds, and it's DOT compliant with the tires and everything it comes with. So it came with a title. I'll go through what it takes to register this in Connecticut. And then we'll do a video of me fitting out the trailer to haul my motorcycles, what I put on it, how I do it, how I'm going to secure the bikes. And with this trailer, I'll probably also make some sides for it so I could use it for a utility trailer if I need to. Because like I said, here in the HOA, trailers aren't allowed. But this one's going to stay in my garage. It folds up. It'll go against the wall. So I'm pretty excited about what this could add for me, for stuff to do. And I think it's going to be a good addition to the garage. So like I said, at the end of this video, after I do my sign off, we're going to do a little slideshow of the pictures of it from Harbor Freight, and I'll put all the information up. I'll put a link in the description of the video So I hope you enjoyed this. And until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Stay tuned for the slideshow.